Happy birthday, friendship. I wish you the best of luck and happiness today on your special day. Namimiss kita and I'm so sorry. I apologize for not being with you today. And tonight, I am pretty sure that you are lucky enough, blessed, and happy with your friends surround you. And para sa akin, ikaw yung genuine na baguhang friend na nakilala ko. I miss everything about you. Naalala mo pa nung nasa castle tayo? Magkaakap tayong natulog papunta ng CR dahil takot tayong dalawa sa multo. So, naaalala ko, namimiss ko yung hilik mo, the sound of your snore, very cute and sweet, na parang ganun. O diba? Tapos, babangon ako, iihi ako. Kasi kung ikaw ang magising na iihi, yayayain mo ako maglakad papunta ng CR kasi nga, ng restroom kasi nga takot ka. Pero, ang akala ko, pagbalik ko dahil tulog na tulog ka, halatang wala ka talagang problema sa buhay. Pagbalik ko, akala ko hindi ko na maririnig yung sweet sound of your hilik. Pero, iba na ang situation, ganito na. Parang motorsiklo ba na umaandar na full of power, ganon. I hope you're not embarrassed at friendship, and I didn't mean to offend you, pero katuwaan lang, 'di ba? Salamat sa friendship. Kaya friendship ang tawag ko sa'yo. Kasi kung friend, there is an end at the end. So, ang friendship, at least may ship. Yung ship, barko-barko tayo. O, diba, pahangin-hangin. Ganyan. Fresh air, lalanghap ng fresh air sa dagat. Ganon. O, so, yun lang ang anecdote sa buhay. Alam mo naman ang nangyari sa akin. Hindi ko sinadya ito, pero ganun talaga ang buhay, diba? So, sabi nila, we should not challenge our fate. Ganon, and our destiny. Hahanapin natin ang ating success, pero hindi natin kailangan i-challenge ang ating fate. Ganon. So, keep the faith, friendship, have fun, and to all your guests, hello and enjoy the gala birthday party of my friendship Sassy Mom. So ito po yung ating outfit inspired by the Met Gala in New York recently, diba? This outfit, kasi binili ko to sa Germany before the Met Gala. So, nung nakita ko na tailored yung mga outfit nila, so, na-challenge ako, na sabi ko, oh my goodness. So, para sa you, friendship, ayan, mala Audrey Hepburn in a millennial revision. Ganito. So, ito yung look na ang akala ko na babagay sa'yo. So, ayan po yung ating shoes. Pigalle by Christian Louboutin, and then of course pearl, and then by the way, wala pa tayong purse. Hold on a second. So ito po yung ating final look. Of course, hindi po mawawala ang ating Louis Vuitton Petit Mal na clutch, made in France. They said made in China. I hope not. So this is our final look. I hope you like it, friendship. And thank you for the friendship, of course. Ladies and gentlemen, have a huge and humongous blast on my friendship party tonight. And to Barangay Mahirap, hep hep. Keep the good vibes rolling. Enjoy, everybody. And friendship, I love you. Bye-bye.